Old mate Major Mitchell camped here on 8th of October 1836. Quite a time ago. 8th of October is my old man's birthday. How about that? And rumour has it later on they used this part of the Goulburn River up here somewhere to cross. It must have been a little bit shallower, a little bit easier to cross on the way up to Sydney, I guess. Major's Creek. Looks like good carp water if nothing else. This weekend I'm at Major's Creek campground. No surprises, but it's on Major's Creek, which runs into the Goulburn River. Looks like a nice little fishing spot. Not much flow in the water here. It's a bit more of a backwater, which is great. Good snags in the water. And I'm feeling pretty confident this weekend. I'm coming up with the boys from Yak Hunters. So I reckon between the bunch of us we should catch at least a couple of fish, fingers crossed. But the weather's holding off. It's supposed to be raining pretty much all weekend, but at the moment it's not too bad. Let's have a quick look around the campsite. It's quite a big spot. There's a few separate campsites along the creek. When I say separate, you've got to drive in separately, they're not all joined. The next one down there actually has some dunnies. It's quite muddy. I mean, it is winter, and at the same time it gets quite dusty in summer. We're probably about 100 k's north of Melbourne, just right near Seymour, about 30 k's away from Seymour. Major Creek, as I mentioned, it goes into the Goulburn River, so about a k and a half in that direction is the Goulburn River, and we'll be paddling up there shortly. Someone's made and left behind this kind of cool fishing rod holder. Does the job. Bit of glamping action over there. It's fast approaching dusk on day one. Fishing's been slow. We're about to break out the surface lures to see if we can have a few surface hits. But the creek's really nice. Heaps of structure. The fish are got to be hiding here somewhere. This is a boys' camp set up. We've got this end of Major's Creek. So Major's Creek's probably got 3 or 4 main camping areas. This is one of them. I mean, let's say reasonably busy, especially given it's winter. This one's a little bit more popular because there are some dunnies just over there. Quite a bit muddy. It is winter. But let me show you around the side a little bit more. Yeah, it's quite a big area. You get quite a few groups in. It's morning too. Glorious morning actually. It's supposed to be raining all day, all weekend, so fingers crossed. Major's Creek is nice and still. Check this out. It's about 7:45 in the morning. I've just hit the water. The other boys are much more keen than me. They've been out since about 5. So fingers crossed that they've actually done alright this morning. But either way, I'm gonna have a good crack. I reckon I'll see them on the way back. But yep, this is the junction, Majors Creek and the Goulburn River. In one direction you have, I think it's Mitchelton Winery, and the other direction you have the other winery that starts with T. I think it's Talbrick or something. Talbick. Look at all the craypots. Bit of craypot city around here.
Anything in size or not? About 45 centimetres, most of them. That's not bad. Yeah.